Hi guys and girls, my name is Vijay Kumar. I belong to the 1984-88 batch of ECE. Uh, Once I finished my engineering over here in OU campus, I had graduated in management studies from Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. Subsequently, I also pursued further in terms of finishing my PhD in management, specifically in the education sector. And currently, I am a co-founder of an international school in Hyderabad. Previous to that, I have spent some time in the US, and 2002, once I came back, I've been stuck with the education sector because that excites me and that's my passion. The association has been active or inactive, I would say, for so many years, and now that the association is getting active, we need a critical mass, and the key to bringing in a critical mass was doing a global alumni meet, and based upon the inputs that we're going to get in this global alumni meet, that's the reason, from 2 to 3:30 we have a open house kind of a thing, where n number of initiatives we can look into, evaluate, and then start taking them and implementing them in the alma mater. One of the key initiatives that we looked at was primarily got to do with let it be a platform for interaction between the alumni in terms of the networking kind of a thing. The other aspect that we looked at, what we can do to the alma mater and the students and the faculty, and the various initiatives could range from doing some research work over here to helping children financially, as well as in terms of internships and career counseling, etc. And also from an innovation point of view, we've also looked at that point, and we've started an innovation committee as such. There's so many initiatives that one gets to know of when you're talking about our alumni. I've just talked about few of them. It is primarily anywhere, whether it is technology based, or whether you want to do career counseling, or you want to help children with scholarships, or we're looking at something like innovation, you want to be part of it, industry interaction. There are numerous ways alumni can interact with the alma mater in terms of the college. But most of us, unfortunately, primarily think it's got to do with money. The moment we talk about alumni association, the moment we talk about alma mater, people think that, okay, these guys have come for donation, money. But what I very sincerely believe from the bottom of my heart is, it is not the money, but what the students, the faculty, and our college is looking at is you coming and spending some time here. So my request to every alumnus is, if we can take out some time from our busy lives, and whenever you're visiting Hyderabad, or if you're in Hyderabad, if you can spend some time in the college with the children and the faculty, I think that's a great contribution you do to your alma mater. Folks, it's very critical for an alumni association to move forward unless and until each one of us participate in it wholeheartedly. And I'm sure that each one of us would want to give back to the alma mater in terms of knowledge, in terms of funding, or whatever it is. So expect you to come and participate. This association is not owned by individuals. This association is for each one of us who's passed out from this college. And I would sincerely and earnestly and humbly request each one of you to participate in the association activities, and in the process, contribute to our alma mater. Thank you.